Good morning everyone and welcome to English class. The chapter that we are going to take today is called pronouns. Okay, it's from your grammar book. Pronouns in Hindi it is called sarvanam. Okay, means a word that is used in place of noun. Any word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Okay, the words which we use replacing nouns are called pronouns. In Hindi you can say संज्ञा के स्थान पे आने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Okay, so this is the same thing in English. Words used in place of noun is called pronouns. So let's read the examples. You will understand it better. Did I not tell you to be punctual, Ramesh? So your I is a pronoun. Okay, maybe a teacher is saying, or anybody else, school authorities, or anyone who is asking questions or who is giving advice. So this is used for that particular person. Okay, this is said in a this is said by that particular person. Yes sir, but I missed the train. Your I is used for Ramesh. Ramesh is giving answer that yes sir, I missed the train. Okay, why are you crying? Are you afraid of me? Your see, you is a pronoun. Are you afraid of me? We should always speak the truth. Your we is a pronoun. Let us go out for a walk. Your us is pronoun. Where is the chair? Bring it here. Your it is pronoun. It is basically used for non-living things. Okay. Look at this woman. She appears sad. Help her. The child saw a ball and tried to catch it. Okay. In this particular sentence, it is the pronoun, because here the talk is about a ball. No, so ball is a non-living thing. So the definition of pronoun is, a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun, in a place of noun. To replace noun, we use pronoun. See, we cannot use again and again noun, no, in a sentence. So that's why we use pronoun for that. Okay. We'll do some examples so you will understand it better. What is a pronoun? Okay. See, the first pronoun that we are going to do today is personal pronoun. Okay. It is very easy, not so difficult. You will understand it. So the first one that we are going to do is personal pronoun. So now what is a personal pronoun? Let's read. See, I know Hari. We love the child. Hari knows me. The child loves us. So here we observe that I and we are used as subject. Me and you, me and us are used as objects. Okay. Here these two are objects and these two are subjects. Understood? We also observe that I and me are the singular number. We and us are in the plural number. There are singular and plural sentences used here. We is used for plural. Sorry, yes, and us is used for plural. I and me is used for singular. I यानी एक ही इंसान है, me यानी खुद के बारे में, so that is singular. We यानी बहुत सारे, us also means बहुत सारे, so that is used in plural. Understood? So in this personal pronoun, you will find that there are three kinds of person. I have explained this before also. This is first person, second person, and third person. First person means the one who is talking, like me. Okay, I am talking, so that means I am first person. Then second person, who is listening, to whom I am talking, that means you are second person because you are listening to me. I am directly talking to you, that means you are second person to listen to me. And whatever we are talking, that you are saying to somebody else who is not present there, so that particular person is third person. Okay, who is not hearing, so that particular person is third person. Suppose we are talking about someone, so I am saying something to you, so you are second person and I am first person, and the person जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है वो third person है. Okay, जो बात करता है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन होता है, जो सुनता है वो सेकंड पर्सन होता है, और जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है वो थर्ड पर्सन होता है. ओके, द पर्सन दैट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द टॉक, जो हमारी बातों में मौजूद नहीं है फिजिकली, वो होता है थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, so we will read the definition of personal pronoun. Pronoun that are used to describe a particular person, thing or group of things are called personal pronoun. Personal pronoun includes I, you, he, she, it, we and they. Okay, personal pronoun describes particular person. It describes a particular person. That's why it's called personal pronoun. See here, the definition of first person is also given. When we talk about ourselves, our opinions and the things that happen to us, we generally speak in the first person. Whatever is happening with us, and if we are speaking, then we are in first person. Okay, did you understand the difference between first person, second person, third person? See here, the definition is of second person. The second person point of view belongs to the person or people being addressed. This is the you perspective, means जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, that you are standing, I am talking to you. That's the you that we are pointing out. That is second person. Okay, and the third person is pointing of view belongs to the person. Point of view belong to the person being talked about, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. The third person pronoun includes he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Okay, first person जो बोल रहा है, second person जो सुन रहा है, और third person जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. So these are the three kinds of person that you are going to learn, and this is the difference between these three people. Okay, for first person we use I, me, myself, and second person we use you, your, and for third person we use he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Okay, so this is the difference between first, second and third person. So I hope you have understood, and if you have any question you can ask. Thank you.